Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a dashiki for a baby boy. Start by measuring chest, body length, and neck opening precisely, then choose soft cotton or Ankara fabric and pre-wash it. Cut a simple tunic pattern using a rectangle for the body and 2 small rectangles for sleeves. Reinforce the collar area with lightweight interfacing and finish seams neatly. Keep decorations minimal and comfortable for the baby. Measure twice and cut once, keeping a calm pace to avoid mistakes. Lay fabric folded, transfer measurements, and add a 1:1. 5 cm seam allowance around edges. Mark the neck with a gentle curve and cut slowly with sharp scissors to maintain clean edges. Use chalk or washable markers and keep pattern pieces pinned to avoid shifting. Label each piece so assembly stays smooth and predictable while you sew. With pieces ready, pin shoulders and stitch with a straight stitch, pressing seams open afterward. Set sleeves into armholes carefully, easing fabric so there are no puckers, and sew the side seams down to the hem. Finish raw edges using a zigzag stitch or serger, and turn hems twice for a clean finish. Top stitch around neckline and hems to secure shape, and give the dashiki a crisp, tailored appearance that holds up through washes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.